Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you 3 steps to resolve the issue. Your CMD is not working. So why your CMD is not working? Sometime your window is corrupted and sometime the overtask can cause this issue as well. So without wasting your time, let's start. So in the first step, go to taskbar, then click on task manager option. Okay. And you need to look for Windows Explorer. Scroll it down. This is the option, Windows Explorer. Click on this option and restart it. Okay, restart it and try if your issue is solved or not. Sometime the more applications are running on your Windows, so try if your issue is solved or not. Okay, if this step is not working on your Windows, we can create the shortcut on our desktop so that we can run it as an administrator and choose the other command to repair our Windows. So right click on it. After that, click on new option, then click on shortcut and name it. Okay, cmd.exe. Then click on next and leave it, name it CMD. Click on finish. Okay, now the CMD is created on the desktop, so you need to right click on it and we are going to give the administrator right to CMD. Go to properties and click on the shortcut tab. Okay, then click on the advanced tab and run it as administrator. Click on OK and click on apply, then click on OK. Okay, once the shortcut is created on the desktop, you need to double click on it to run and it should run. Okay, after running it, you need to hit one command here, sfc space / scan now. sfc space / scan now. Sfc stands for system file checker, which will scan all the corruption inside your Windows. So wait for the process to complete, and once this command is completed on your Windows, you need to restart your system. Okay, you need to restart your system and your issue will be fixed, but make sure it will go to 100% like 1. So this is how you can resolve this issue. So hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.